Hi, this is Iltifat Husain with iMedical Apps. I'm the editor-in-chief, and this is going to be a quick demo of how you can use the medical ID function in the Health app to list your donor status and your other medical history. As an emergency medicine doctor, obviously I'm really excited about this because the coolest feature of this is this information can be accessed on even if your screen is locked. So when you open up the Health app, you're given this dashboard display. I'll make a subsequent video showing you how you can populate this area, but for right now I'm going to go to the medical ID section in the bottom right. So once you go there, you click in the top right hand corner and click Edit, and you're given this screen where you can add key content. Toggling the top part to the right and left is the most important thing. Having the ability to access someone's medical information and history, their medications, even potentially, if their blood type, and also, if they're organ donor or not, is a huge deal. And having that built into the core of the operating system, which Apple has done with the Health app, is tremendous. Here you can add your birth date, medical condition, so a patient can list if they have diabetes or hypertension, medical notes. I like this area because I can definitely see in the future where people would put code status in here. So by that I mean, are they going to be, are they DNR, do not resuscitate, what type of interventions would they want if they were to show up into the emergency room, and and if they're unable to coherently explain what's going on, which is, which happens a lot more than most folks think. Allergies and reactions are listed here too, medications. Here you can add emergency contacts, you can add blood type, and an organ donor function is listed here as well, where you can say yes or no, are you an organ donor? Blood type, you can list that. You can add your height and weight. That information isn't as relevant in a medical ID, but certainly this information right here, medical conditions and medications that a patient is on, along with the organ donor yes or not, is tremendous. So like I said, you can access it on your locked screen. So once you click done, I'm going to back out, and now I'm going to lock my screen. So I've locked my screen. You slide it over, and now you click the emergency area on the bottom left, and right there, that is the emergency information that shows up for your potential patient. Having the ability to access this on a locked screen again and having it baked into the overall operating system is a really big deal. Folks have tried to make these medical ID apps in the past, but it's of no use if I'm unable to access it or know what app is utilizing it. But now that it's actually being built into the core of the iOS platform, and this application cannot be deleted, for better or worse, Apple doesn't let you do that. I can't emphasize how big of a deal it is, especially for medical providers that are trying to find out what is going on with the patient that's acutely decompensating, which is oftentimes the case that I'm faced with in the ER.